Every day, millions reach for painkillers, for headaches, backaches, joint pain. But what if the real solution doesn't come in a pill, but from a pair of hands? First, let's talk about painkillers. These medications are commonly used to relieve pain, reduce inflammation, and lower fevers. They work by blocking or reducing the signals sent to your brain. Painkillers promise fast relief, but at what cost? Addiction, dependency, and side effects have sparked a global crisis. Chiropractic treatment is more than back cracking. Chiropractic treatment is a form of alternative medicine that focuses on diagnosing and treating mechanical disorders of the musculoskeletal system, particularly the spine. It is a hands-on approach that targets the root cause: misaligned spines, nerve pressure, and poor posture. Chiropractors use hands-on spinal manipulation and other techniques to improve your body's physical function. Chiropractors believe that proper alignment of the body's musculoskeletal structure, particularly the spine, will enable the body to heal itself without surgery or medication. This realignment aims to restore mobility to joints restricted by tissue injury caused by a traumatic event or repetitive stress. Chiropractic care can be beneficial for a variety of issues, including back pain, neck pain, and headaches. By adjusting the spine, chiropractors can relieve pressure on nerves and reduce inflammation, which in turn alleviates pain. Many patients report feeling relief after just a few sessions. It's non-invasive and doesn't involve medication, which is appealing for those wanting to avoid drug side effects. Chiropractic adjustments can improve your range of motion. When your spine is properly aligned, your body moves more freely and effortlessly. This is especially beneficial for athletes or anyone who wants to stay active and agile. Another significant benefit is the positive effect on the nervous system. The spine is a crucial part of your central nervous system. When it's aligned correctly, nerve signals travel more efficiently, improving your overall health. In today's digital age, poor posture is a common issue. Chiropractic care can help correct postural imbalances caused by prolonged sitting or bad habits. Over time, you'll notice better posture, which can lead to less discomfort and more confidence. Chiropractic treatment can also help reduce stress. Misalignments in the spine can affect your entire body, leading to tension and stress. By correcting these issues, you can feel more relaxed and at ease. Patients with chronic pain often find that regular chiropractic sessions reduce their need for pain medications. However, it's important to note that results can vary. Studies show chiropractic care may reduce the need for opioids. One 2018 study found patients who visited a chiropractor were 49% less likely to fill a painkiller prescription. Some doctors still doubt chiropractic care, but others now refer patients to chiropractors as part of a holistic approach. So, are they enemies or allies in healing? From office workers to athletes, thousands say they've ditched the pills thanks to chiropractic treatment. So, what's their secret? But it's not magic. Chiropractic care doesn't cure everything. Risks exist, and it's not right for every type of pain. As society questions its pill-popping habits, chiropractic care is rising as a powerful, drug-free option. Could this be the pain relief revolution we've been waiting for? Before making any changes to your pain management plan, consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you determine if chiropractic care is suitable for your condition. It's also important to ensure your chiropractor is licensed and experienced. While chiropractic treatment can be a valuable tool in pain management, it might not completely replace painkillers for everyone. It's one of many options available, and it's worth considering if you're looking for a more natural approach to pain relief. Painkillers mask the pain. Chiropractors seek to fix it. So, what will you choose, the pill or the pressure release? Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Stay healthy, and see you next time.